Today, let's talk about scalp acupuncture. Scalp acupuncture is a therapeutic technique that involves stimulating specific points on the scalp with thin needles. It is part of traditional Chinese medicine and is believed to treat various health conditions. The needle's insertion in scalp acupuncture is shallow and is considered relatively safe and low-risk procedure. The technique is commonly used to treat neurological conditions like paralysis, stroke, and multiple sclerosis. And it can also be beneficial for treating musculoskeletal conditions like chronic pain, arthritis, and sport injuries. Scalp acupuncture work by promoting blood flow and nerve activities in the brain, spinal cord, and affected areas. The stimulation of these points can help restore balance in body and alleviate symptoms. During scalp acupuncture session, the practitioner will insert needles in specific areas according to the patient's condition. The needles are typically left in place for about 20 to 30 minutes to improve the overall physiological effects of the body. The needles are gently manipulated on the scalp so that eventually the effect is felt. Some patients may experience a tingling or slight pressure sensation during the treatment, but is generally not painful. Scalp acupuncture can be used as a standalone treatment or combined with other forms of acupuncture and physiotherapy. Individuals who have undergone scalp acupuncture have reported improvement in their symptoms and overall well-being. However, it is important to consult a qualified, experienced practitioner before undergoing these techniques. This is why we at Cardboard Physiotherapy are committed to providing safe and effective scalp acupuncture procedure. Certain individuals, such as those with compromised immune system or bleeding disorder, may not be suitable candidates for scalp acupuncture. The benefits of scalp acupuncture can vary from person to person, and it may require multiple sessions to achieve optimal results. Potential side effects of scalp acupuncture are typically minimal and may include minor bruising or soreness at the site of the needle insertion. As with any form of acupuncture, it is crucial to seek treatment from a licensed and reputable practitioner. Overall, scalp acupuncture is a specialized approach that can offer potential therapeutic benefits for a range of health conditions. Till next time, my name is Dr. Oladejo. Please don't forget to follow, like, and comment. Cheers!